What's up guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel, Super Motorbike. Before we proceed, please make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon, such that whenever we upload new video you'll be notified. Ducati Corse audits. Ducati Corse, over 20 years on tracks everywhere. Ducati's hustling division fosters the bicycles that participate in MotoGP and Superbike rivalries and the client renditions utilized in the public titles. Ducati Corse audits. Ducati Corse, over 20 years on tracks everywhere. Ducati's hustling division fosters the bicycles that participate in MotoGP and Superbike rivalries and the client renditions utilized in the public titles. HB Corse has defined itself all along as a cruiser maker. Ducati has consistently wanted to contend in and win contests, driven by the firm conviction that race consistently existed inside Ducati, and this is exhibited by the considerable rundown of triumphs accomplished by the Bolognese bikes throughout the long term. For a similar explanation, in 1988 Ducati chose to take to the track in the SBK Big Showdown, dispensing significant assets to it, first straightforwardly, and afterward reappropriating the administration of its cruisers to outer groups. An essential decision followed by a considerable rundown of triumphs and titles, to such an extent that from 1991 to 2013 Ducati could flaunt the solitary record, having won a larger number of rivalries than the amount of the triumphs of any remaining producers. The seriousness of the Ducati models, sent for the SBK Big Showdown, is additionally exhibited by the numerous clients who purchased bicycles from Borgo Panigale to race in public rivalries and in the Big Showdown itself. With a developing responsibility and Ducati's revisitation of the executives of the authority group, in 1999 Ducati Corse was established, an organization by its own doing yet part of Ducati Engine Holding. The new division appreciated extraordinary accomplishment all along, with Carl Fogarty coming out on top for the SBK Championship that very year. The 996 clearly carried the constructors' title to Borgo Panigale, while in the English Superbike title, BSB, a specific Troy Bayliss.